Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the entertainment channel and me Hayat. Today I will tell you some information about आइए देखते हैं आज मैं आपको किस फ्रूट की नॉलेज दूंगा. Papaya is a soft tropical fruit with a yellowish orange color. It's loaded with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation, fight diseases, and help keep you looking young. The nutrition fact of one small papaya: 152 gram are calories 59, carbs 15 gram, protein 1 gram, fiber 3 gram, fat 0.3 gram. Papaya has powerful antioxidants which may reduce stress and lower your risk of several diseases. Papaya can help your skin recover from sun damage and may defend against wrinkling. Papaya are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, and vitamin K. It is a very good source of folate. It is low in calories and high in nutritional values. It is good source of fiber along with low GI. Hence, it is a good food for those who want to lose some weight. Number 1. Boost immunity. Number 2. Promotes health digestion. Number 3. Help for weight loss. Number 4. Helps in diabetes. Number 5. Help in menstrual pain. Number 6. Lower cholesterol. Number 7. Cancer prevention. Number 8. Prevent wrinkles and sign of aging. Number 9. Reduce stress. Number 10. Improves eyesight. Number 11. Oxidative stress is believed to play a role in Alzheimer's diseases. Number 12. This is an imbalance in the body between antioxidants and free radicals, which are molecules that cause cell damage. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is believed to have originated in southern Mexico and Central America. It has a sweet, juicy taste and is rich in vitamin, particularly vitamin C. Papayas have been cultivated for centuries for their fruit, as well as for their leaves, which are sometimes used in cooking. Papayas are also known for their medicinal properties and are used in some traditional remedies.